sir. They are preparing for attack.
Report to battle stations.
Battle stations.
It is starting.
I have my orders.
Orders? I have carried out orders that you would not believe. And now I know some orders are wrong. We cannot absolve ourselves by simply saying, I have my orders. You have to ask yourself, why are you executive officer of this ship on guard duty? Not because you are the only one who could question his authority, because you're the only one who would.
We're ready to execute.
Clancy, let's verify his zone.
Standing by to engage, sir.
What's the status of our missiles?
SM-6s are ready, sir.
Arm 2 missiles and prepare to engage the Roosevelt.
Sir, do we have authorization from Joint Strategic Command?
Joint Strategic Command doesn't give you orders. I do.
Cannot attack without their authorization.
We have their authorization.
He is lying.
Take your prisoner below deck.
Captain, request confirmation from Joint Strategic Command.
Request denied, Lieutenant Commander Kogansky.
Since when does the Russian Navy attack unprovoked, without orders?
We have our orders.
President Surikov would never stand for this.
Continue the sequence or I'll have you arrested as well.
Sir, the Fearless has armed 2 of their missiles.
White House is patching through.
Captain.
Sir, the Fearless has shown hostile intent by arming 2 missiles. Permission to close in.
Permission to close in.
Permission to fire.
If fired upon.
Granted.
Thank you, sir.
The sequence is complete.
Insert your key.
Three, two, one, turn.
Missile is ready to launch.
Vampire.
Check print track 2913.
2913, strike 1.
Coordinates?
Bearing 100 relative, heading 257 to 86,000 yards.
Engage with birds.
Engaging target with Roosevelt birds. Aye, Captain.
Birds away, time to impact 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, brace for shock.
Relax from brace. Prepare to engage with standard missiles.
Sir, the Americans intercepted our missile.
First missile was intended to take out their defenses. They'll be helpless against the second.
Are you trying to start a war?
Yes, he is.